Okay, I'm going to start it up for you now. It's got a 350 in it. There's a new carburetor. Better than a Holley. Holley carburetors aren't, mainly now for racing. These are performance carburetors for street vehicles. There's the interior. See how clean it is. I mean, everything works. AC, the clocks, everything. I'll pull the hood on it. Idle's a little high because it's cold. We'll drop down in a minute. So 1984 Chevrolet Silverado, factory restored, new engine, new carburetor, new exhaust, new paint, new interior, new tires, everything. New pipes, new exhaust, straight dualies, dual exhaust off the manifold. So it's about as close to 1984 as it's gonna ever get, but it is good to go. It sounds great. I'll put that in the next video. Anyway, clean. Very clean. Cool truck. Long bed. It's bigger than my first apartment. Anyway, I thought you might enjoy that.